Hello mga bes! So this is another unboxing video of a product that I purchased in Shoppee. And this is one of the things na kakailanganin ko talaga sa room arrangement na, sa room makeover na ginagawa ko ngayon. Actually, so these are two items that I bought in the same shop. So I will be attaching the name of the shop, the link of the shop, and the item later. Yung gagawin natin today, unboxing of, I think parang it's a small cabinet at tawag dito, or it's a small organizer na pwede nating ilagay sa ating mga table, which will really help us in maintaining the cleanliness, in having our things arranged, because as of the moment, yung table ko is not that good. The things are, hindi naman siya gaanong arranged, pero it's arranged. Pero yun na nga, kakailanganin ko talaga ng organizer. That's why I decided to buy this one in Shoppee. And dito, ouch, it's very heavy. Tanan! So, ang bigat niya guys, it's very heavy. It's made of, yun na nga, it's made of wood. It's from Flint Shop from Alvarado Street, Unit 60, Barangay Binondo, Manila. It weighs 5,300 grams. So, dalawa na siya. Bakit dalawa? Kasi nga, isang shop lang yung pinagbilhan ko nito. But before we continue, let's apply first alcohol because we really need to sanitize everything first. Dahil yun na nga, hindi natin alam kung saan ba nanggaling yung mga papel na to, kung saan nanggaling ang item na to. To be sure, yeah. Yun lang, sa lahat ng unboxing video na ginagawa ko, I always make it sure that I would apply alcohol to sanitize it first before opening it. Just to be sure, just to be safe, because we're still in the pandemic. And let us always be reminded that we always need to bring our alcohol, and we should always observe health sanitary protocols for us to be, and yun lang nga, para maging safe tayo, and so that we can avoid getting or transmitting COVID-19. Yun na nga, ay, daling i-open. So, I will open this one. Aray. Hala, parang may gumagalaw sa loob. So, naka-bubble wrap siya guys, as you see. Naka-bubble wrap siya. At itatapon natin ang bubble wrap dahil hindi na naman natin siya gamitin. And again, it's 1 and it's 2. Dalawa siya guys, dalawa. So, yun na nga, let's apply alcohol again. Hala, ano ba? Just to be sure, alcohol. Then, another alcohol. And yun na nga guys, sa lahat ng hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please do hit that subscribe button sa ibaba, and please don't forget to press that notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload my videos, my vlogs, my unboxings, and every other video na ginagawa ko sa YouTube channel na to. Na nga guys, na-open na siya. It's this one. And then we have this one. And we also have this one. So I decided to buy two. One is yung pahaba. Ito yung pahaba guys. Ito yung pwedeng lagyan ng laptop sa taas. Then sa baba may compartment siya. And parang may susi and may lock to siya. So it's safe. Pwede mo taguan ng things. And ito yung isa na mataas siya. Maraming compartments. Pwede siya lagyan ng portfolios. Pwede siya lagyan ng folder. And yun na nga, organizer na organizer talaga siya. I decided to buy this because this is very important. Ito yung isa sa mga bagay na kailangan ko, and I'm not that good in fixing my papers and arranging my books, and isa ito sa mga dahilan kung bakit ko inisip na bilhin to, because this will really help me in fixing my things. So yun lang guys, I'll look for a screwdriver first, then we'll continue with this unboxing. Charan! Okay, so to continue guys, let's apply alcohol first. Walang sawang alcohol tayo ngayon dito. So I prepared a screwdriver here because pero guys, may screwdriver pala siya. We have the screwdriver, we have the screws, and we also have the sets of wood. Actually, ang bigat niya guys. Ouch! So, how do I do this? Ay, may instructions pala. Instructions pala guys. Oh my god, ang dami. So, paano to? So, I'll separate this one first. So, look for number 4. So, ata yung number 4. This is number 4. Then the sides. Guys, may numbering siya, so hindi kayo maguguluhan. Sana ay hindi ako maguguluhan dito. Okay. So, ganun. May numbering siya, guys. Ito ba to? Hirap naman ito. How is this? How's this? Goodness, naguguluhan ako guys. Ang hirap. na nga guys, as you can see, ito yung outcome niya. Ito yung first na ginawa natin, tapos ito yung second, ito yung third. Pero actually, dalawang item lang yung dalawang item to. Ito yung isa, tapos itong dalawa is magkasama. So, let's go here first. Ayan. We have this. Marami siyang lalagyan. Meron sa taas, we have 2. So, nilagyan ka siya ng alcohol and perfume. Tapos dito, free space. So, nilagay ko muna yung mouse and yung ibang keys. Tapos, sa baba naman, may, ma-open to siya sa baba, guys. Ayan. So, may space din dito. Hindi ko pa alam kung saan ko to gagamitin. Tapos, sa baba, kaya nga, meron tayong key. Malalak natin to siya, pero hindi siya nakalock. Pwede nating taguan ng mga important things. Ito, malaki yung space niya, guys. Malaki talaga yung space. The next is this one. This is for the laptop table. So, nilagyan ko muna siya ng patungan para tumaas siya ng konti. We have compartment here. Nilagay ko yung diary or book ko. And this is also another one. Parang ganito. Same siyang mahaba. Kagaya ng kanina. So, malalagyan natin siya ng mga gamit na gusto nating taguan and malalak natin siya. That's why ganito. Tapos, malaki yung space. Kasyang-kasya yung laptop. Tapos, malalagyan mo pa ng ibang gamit. Pero yung para sa akin is laptop lang ilalagay ko dito. So, for the meantime, habang di ko siya ginagamit to lessen up the space, I'll be putting my keyboard here. The keyboard of the laptop here. The next, ito na. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko, guys. Kasi, ang dami niyang lalagyan. So, on top, we have this one here. Malalagyan ng portfolio, books, and anything. Tapos dito, parang 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung remote control ng LED lights natin. Strip light, tas keys. Hindi ko alam ano ilagay ko. Pero I'll be putting some, ano ba tawag dito? Some ball pens, pentel pen, and pencils na gagamitin ko. Sticky notes here. I have my Moments with God here. This is a prayer book that I have. Another one here. Lalagyan siya. Anong mayroon dito? Lalagyan. Then we also have a compartment here. Lalagyan ko ng wipes and ng paper. And this one, maganda siya guys. It's a very, very big yung space. Matataguan din natin ng mga gamit. Tapos maganda yung holder niya. Then next is, ito din yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko. It's divided into 2 portions. Malaki yung space, so nilagyan ko ng books. I've also included this books that I bought in Cebu during the NYD. I have my Gia, dalawang Gia, hindi ko alam kaninong isa. Tapos ito yung buy. These are the books that I got in Cebu during the National Youth Day. Then I have here St. Therese Paris. This is the golden commemorative book of the St. Therese Archdiocese and Shrine of St. Therese in Cebu during the NYD. This is our yearbook. I also have other books here, and this is The Way of the Pilgrim. This is another book. So, yun lang guys. So, yun na. As you can see, malaki talaga yung space. Hindi naman malaki talaga yung space na ino-occupy ng DIY organizer natin. Pero, legit na legit. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng material. Hindi siya babasagin. Hindi naman siya madaling one or what. Kasi ang ganda ng material. Maganda talaga siya guys. Tchanan! Yun na. Bye! Yun na nga guys. Ganun siya tignan sa likod. It's very organized. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang ganda ng material. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung material because it's made of solid wood. I don't know if this is real wood. Pero parang this is real wood. Ang solid ng material. Ang ganda ng material. And worth it talaga siya for the money na ginamit ko to buy these things. And yun lang nga, isa sa mga reason kung bakit ko to binili sa Shopee, because I want my table to be organized. Gusto ko maayos siya, and nahihirapan kasi ako kapag nakatambak lang yung magamit. Nahihirapan ako, nasa-stress ako mag-work. So kailangan, gusto ko organize. So yun na, if ever you want to purchase this item, I will attach the link. I will attach the link of the item and the link of the shop na binilan ko sa Shopee, and I assure you, ang bait ng seller, nagre-reply siya agad. He answers the concern, and yun na nga, although nagka-problema ako sa shipping, pero yun na nga, dumating pa rin siya, na-follow up ko rin siya, nahabol ko rin siya, and on time dumating yung product. And if ever I'll rate this one, I'll give this siguro 8 out of 10. It's not that perfect, pero yung na-receive ko is it's almost perfect. masaya na ako. I'm satisfied with the item. I am satisfied with the product. So, yun na nga. If ever gusto nyong bumili, I will be attaching the link in the description below. And before I end this vlog, sa lahat ng hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, kindly hit that subscribe button sa ibaba. And please don't forget to press that notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload my videos, my vlogs, my unboxings, and any other thing that I do in this YouTube channel or any other thing that I post in this YouTube channel. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. Or if ever you have suggestions for possible contents, or kung kahit anong bagay na gusto nyong gawin ko ng video, comment lang kayo sa baba. Thank you for watching my videos, for subscribing, and for everything. Yun lang, salamat, and I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Bye-bye!